Hello and welcome back to Glastonbury Designs. In this episode we're going to be doing a couple of stash ads, a couple of new cars, and some new products. I'm glad you're able to join me here. I'm blessed to share my hobby with you. So right out of the gate you can see we've got a couple of cars. We've got some new Tamiya paint, and I've got this new product. I've seen some people using on different people posting about it on Facebook, and a couple of people I follow on YouTube. It's Bondo glazing spot putty. Now I've never used this on real cars or models. I don't know what to expect. I just hear that it works fairly well. This one did. I haven't been into the package, but this one did come a little bit open. No huge deal. So there's that. We got some new colors from Tamiya. This one is gunmetal. I thought that would be a decent exhaust color. This one here is, well, mica silver. Thought that might help for like aluminum parts, maybe doing brakes. Same way with this one over here. This one is titanium silver. I thought that'd look good for aluminum also, like transmission, stuff like that. And I'll put the exact item number under them when we're showing them. And then there's this color. This is Royal Light Gray. Now, when I told you I was going to build the 409, the Bel Air 409, I've got a couple of leftover paint colors from MCW, and I mixed them all together to come up with this really nice blue. It's a nice medium blue, anyways. And I thought that gray would look good as an interior, at least for the seats. I don't know about anything else. I did buy these, and these guys haven't asked me to do this. I hope it's okay with them, but I bought them from Burbank's House of Hobbies. This is the second or third order I've done through them. They're pretty quick on shipment. That's their website. They've always treated me very well, so maybe worth it to check them out. Like I said, I don't know them other than I order some paints here and there from them. I've never even talked customer service, so because all of my orders have come through proper. So no need to talk to customer service when you get what you ordered. So there's that. So pretty excited about these two cars. A couple of stash ads from eBay. This one was under 20 with shipping, and this one was like 22, 21-ish with shipping, somewhere in there. We'll get right. I'm going to unbox this one. This one's actually going to kind of be a cheater unbox because it's all unbagged. When they photographed it and listed it on eBay, I saw the parts were all out of their package. I bought this car. I like the older vets. I like this style vet particularly. Not really into the new vets. I'm certainly not into the most recent model vets that I don't know, CA8 or whatever it is there. I don't know what it is even. I don't pay attention. But I like these older ones. I bought this because it's got just the picture just kind of got me. Like it's got the black chrome bumpers, and I kind of envision it with like black chrome rims, just being kind of like just a real nice. I've never done a black model, and it already comes molded in that. So the packaging was off from the exterior. So I think what we're going to do is just move this down here. And I don't want this to be an unboxing for this car, but we'll do the unboxing in a separate video, maybe same day, who knows. But this is a 65 Vet Street Machine. I've recently bought some rims from Jay's Resins. The one that got me was the Street Machine build from Blue Ox. My tires wouldn't work with that Mustang. So I used some aftermarket tires, and I kind of went, like, I got sold. Like, it was immediately, like I see all these people post aftermarket, put on aftermarket, like 3D printed rims, and I thought it was looking cool, but I never knew how really cool it looked till I went ahead and did it myself. So anyways, this is the 57 Chevy Bel Air. And the reason I bought this car, you'll see in a second, is this is done up in a way that I've been wanting to do a model, but I don't know as I have the skill to do it yet. I guess we'll see. They repacked it with a little bit of paper. That's cool. Nice. What do we have here? Oh, some of the parts are clipped off. Okay, I didn't go through this too heavily. Just take care of that right there. So we got rear seat. I'm guessing looks like a spot for a battery compartment. So I'm guessing inner fender wells for the front. Another one. The other side. It's got these tires that are halved. Yeah, we're not going to use those. Those never work out good for me. I always keep splitting them, but they're there. I always try to go this way of the camera. I don't know why. Rear bumper. In fact, I'm probably just going to get rid of those tires. Front suspension and engine cradle. Looks like probably a firewall. Top part of the gas tank, I'm guessing. That would be going somewhere in here, I suppose. Maybe it goes underneath. It goes down there. That's all platformed out. And you can see why over there. Okay, so in the cradle, gas tank, fender well seats. Looks like the spare tire cover. If you wanted to build it that way, we'll see. Dash. I don't know if you can see the gauges or not, but this is a pretty nice dash. Just an old phone. Hopefully it's working all right. Radiator and the supports. Part of the rear axle. That takes care of that. Well, since it's out, you know what we'll do? We'll just do the bottom. Sorry about all the clattering. There's a couple things here I'm going to want to change. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here it says Revell. I'm going to want to take that off. This is going to be a special build. And over here it says 42. I don't know why it says 42 right there, but it does. Other than that, it's a nice bottom. See the bolts in the frame area. You can see some like crimp work to strengthen the floorboards. I don't know if they cleaned it up before they sold it or what, but it's pretty nice looking. All right, a little bit of an interruption there. We got some packages that came in, and somebody was knocking on the door. Well, we're back at it. Hopefully I can pick up where I left off, figure out where my train of thought was. I think we were going into the chrome anyway. Got us front bumper here. Some valve covers. Looks like maybe, possibly velocity stacks. I don't know. Headlight housings. I'm guessing these are the strips of chrome that go on top of the hood. On either side, like these pieces right here, if that sounds correct. I don't know for sure. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, anyway, no, that's these pieces of chrome down in here. That looks like a couple of different types of grills. Hubcaps here. This car is shown to have aftermarket rims, but it looks like they probably would have been located right there, and they're not with the kit anymore, which I'm fine with because I'm probably gonna do my own thing with it anyway. That's about it on the chrome. I got these things. I don't know what those are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe some sort of like velocity stack type of thing. I don't know. If you can see that and you know what they are, toss me a comment. Correct me. All right. This kit does have some flash on it. You can probably see like all the spots right there, something right there. Anyways, you got your probably your front seats, seat backs. You know what else? This kit doesn't have an instruction sheet. That's all right. I got another 57 Chevy Cat. I'm guessing this is the front suspension. I don't know for sure. A tiny steering wheel. A larger, more accurate one. There's some more suspension components. I don't know what this is. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a trailer or what. Yeah, going on here. Oh, you know what? I never told you about the kit. So I'm a little distracted today. We'll post the video how it is anyway. Some days you're just distracted. Yeah, V8 engine, obviously. Made by Revell. It is kit number, in case you want to look it up and do your own research, 85-4251. And here's the, I think these are the rims that it had that were probably supposed to be the aftermarket ones that did not come with them. You can build it the stock style. You can add parts to it and make it look like this with the rims. Anyway, distracted. All right. Now we come to the parts tree that begins to tell the story as to why I bought this car. You got your inner door panels here, probably part of the hinge system. I'm guessing part of the hubcaps, exhaust, more parts to the hinges. This is probably part of the inside of the trunk, your trunk lid, your hood, and your doors. I was excited about this kit because it's all cut open, or molded open. I guess you wouldn't really say cut open because it's that way from the factory. Pretty nice engine pieces here. Where's my block? And then another part. I don't think it came with a block or a transmission. No, there's your transmission there. And there's manifolds, foot pedals, airbox, more manifolds. And I don't see a block. Is this it? Well, that's part of it. It's got the piston openings. And there's more of it right there. Part of your blower. Wow, never seen a kit like this. You got horns, your fan belt and pulley system. Nice fan. This car might be a candidate for a printed engine and transmission. Part of your exhaust there. I'm gonna have to open up my other 57 and figure this out. Looks like the glass is full. You got your two bigger pieces of glass, front and rear windshield, headlights, side glass. One of the things I'm impressed with is I did look at the body a little bit before I did this unboxing. There's your body. Oh, that's what those long pieces of chrome are for. Right up on there. See those slots? So there's the body. Let's see if it's got any rock. No, it's pretty flat. Good body. But it's thick. That is thick plastic. It probably has to be thick because it's all molded apart. But I mean, look at this. It's even got like, I don't know if it's showing it or not on camera, but it's got like the where the door gets molded into to meet the interior. I mean, that's cut perfectly because it was molded that way. I think this is going to be a fun kit to build. So that's that. So that's the new 57 Chevy California wheels kit. And don't have any real clear vision on paint color or whether or not it's going to get a printed engine or whether we're going to try to work with this. But we'll get it together, get it off to a show somewhere. Appreciate everybody if you followed along till the end. I appreciate it. I appreciate it if you watched a little bit of the video. We've picked up a ton of new subscribers. At the recording of this video, we're sitting at 317. This channel is becoming very successful. It's becoming very successful because of everybody that's subscribed to the channel, all the people that comment, and everybody that keeps tuning back in. If you want to drop me a comment, tell me what your thoughts are. If you have advice on how to build this beast, maybe where I can find an instruction manual for it, I would take a comment down in the comment section below on that. And until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe and everybody be blessed. Thank you for watching.